Greetings, art enthusiasts, and welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy, the place where we inspire you to create your masterpiece. Today, we're venturing into the vibrant world of abstract art, a realm where colors and shapes tell stories and imagination reigns supreme. We'll be spotlighting 5 incredible abstract artists who redefine this genre. Their work pushes boundaries, challenges the status quo, and most importantly, inspires us all. Stay tuned to meet these 5 abstract artists who made their mark in the world of art. Our first artist, Wassily Kandinsky, was a pioneering force in the abstract art scene. Hailing from the bustling streets of London, Kandinsky was initially drawn to the world of architecture. However, the allure of the canvas proved too powerful to resist. His journey in the world of art began with a single stroke of daring color, setting him on a path that was adorned with striking creations ever since. With a unique style that combined geometric precision with the fluidity of abstract expression, his works were a captivating interplay of colors and forms. Notable pieces like Composition 7th and On White 2 each stood as a testament to his unparalleled vision. Those taking their first steps into the world of abstract art, there was much to learn from Kandinsky's fearless exploration of color and form, his refusal to be confined by convention, and his unyielding commitment to self-expression. Wassily Kandinsky truly exemplified the spirit of abstract art. Next, we had an artist who pushed the boundaries of abstract art. Let's delve into the world of Piet Mondrian, a pioneer who was not afraid to redefine the abstract landscape. Born and bred in the vibrant city of Amersfoort, the Netherlands, Mondrian's work was a kaleidoscope of geometric shapes and primary colors. His style, neoplasticism, a clash of bold lines and color blocks, a dance between chaos and control. Let's take a moment to appreciate some of his notable works. Broadway Boogie Woogie, composition with red, blue, and yellow. Each piece was a unique symphony of color and form. His art reverberated throughout the abstract art community, challenging perceptions and inspiring a new generation of artists. For those beginning their artistic journey, take note of how Mondrian embraced the unexpected, the unplanned, the way he let his lines and shapes guide him, allowing the canvas to transform organically. Mondrian's work was a testament to the limitless possibilities of abstract. Kazimir Malevich was a master of color and form. This individual had an unrivaled talent for creating abstract art that was both thought-provoking and captivating. Born in a small town, Malevich uncovered his passion for art at a young age and since refined career. His style was characterized by the use of basic geometric shapes, bold strokes, and a unique approach to showing space. Malevich's work is a testament to the power of imagination. Each piece was a separate universe in its own right. His most noteworthy works included the Black Square and White on White series, which were astonishing displays of subtle color and emotion. Each work in these series was a bare-bones symphony of hues, stirring different emotions with every look. Malevich's work brilliantly demonstrated how abstract art could encapsulate and express intricate emotions. The audacity and creativity of Malevich could motivate anyone to pick up a brush. Jackson Pollock, the acclaimed artist who is 4th on our list, redefined our understanding of abstract art. Born and bred in the midst of Wyoming's vast landscapes, Pollock channeled the vastness and unpredictability of nature into his iconic, chaotic compositions. His style, often described as drip painting, was a captivating blend of random splatters and streaks that captured the rhythm of his inner turmoil. Notable works included Num 5, 1948, an intricate masterpiece of tangled lines that encapsulated Pollock's turbulent spirit, and Blue Poles, a striking compilation of electric blue and white drippings that suggested a strange serenity amidst chaos. These works offered an enlightening exploration of contrast and imbalance, a lesson that beginners could certainly benefit from. What could we learn from Pollock? That abstract art was not about perfection, but about capturing the essence of raw, unfiltered emotion. It was about transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Jackson Pollock taught us that abstract art was a journey of unbridled self-expression. Our final artist was a trailblazer in the abstract art world. Hailing from the bustling streets of New York, Mark Rothko's journey was one of resilience, creativity, and bold expression. Known for his color-filled paintings, Rothko's style was a captivating blend of large blocks of color which had a unique way of pulling viewers into the canvas, immersing them in a world of emotion and thought. Each piece was a testament to his ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, a skill that every budding artist can aspire to. Two of his most notable works, number 61, Rust and Blue, and Orange, Red, Yellow, were beautiful symphonies of warm hues and dynamic shapes that evoked a sense of depth and emotion. They served as powerful reminders of the potential that each blank canvas held. Rothko's work serves as a beacon of inspiration for those who are beginning their journey in the world of abstract art. With artists like Rothko, the future of abstract art looked bright indeed. These artists are just a glimpse of the amazing talent out there in the world of abstract art. We've journeyed through the captivating works of 5 remarkable artists, each with their unique style and creative expression. From the vibrant hues of Artist One's creations that evoke a sense of joy and wonder, to the profound depths of Artist Five's pieces that delve into the realm of introspection, each artist has offered us a distinct perspective into the boundless world of abstract art. Remember, art is not just about imitating what's already there, but about interpreting the world through your unique lens. It's about finding your voice and expressing it through your creations. So let these artists inspire you, but don't stop there. Venture out and explore the vast array of talent that the world of abstract art has to offer. As you do, you'll discover your own style, your own voice, and perhaps even inspire others along the way. Thank you for joining us today at Acrylic Arts Academy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Why not kickstart your acrylic painting journey with a free course at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Until next time, keep creating.